Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the Realme 17 Pro review. 200MP camera, 7200 mAh battery and IP69K protection. One of the most exciting camera-centric phones rumored to arrive in 2026. This is your full review. Specs, design, cameras, performance expectations, and whether it's worth the hype. Let's get into it. What if I told you? A mid-range phone now comes with a 200-megapixel camera, a massive 7200 mAh battery, and IP69K protection. Yes, this is the brand new Realme 17 Pro 5G. And trust me, this one is a beast. First, let's talk about the design and durability. Realme has gone all out here. You get a premium matte finish, slim bezels, and the highlight. IP69K certification. This means it's not just water resistant. It can survive high-pressure hot water jets. Perfect for rough daily use and long-term durability. Now the display. You get a large, smooth AMOLED panel with a high refresh rate. Colors look punchy, blacks are deep, and brightness is excellent for outdoor use. Watching videos and gaming feels super immersive. Performance? Inside, we have the Snapdragon 7 Gen 5 processor. This chip handles daily tasks, multitasking, and heavy gaming without lag. Games like BGMI, Call of Duty, and Genshin run smoothly with stable frame rates. No overheating, no stutter, a solid performance phone. Now the biggest highlight. The 200MP camera. Daylight photos are sharp, detailed, and vibrant. You can zoom in without losing much quality. Night mode is impressive for this segment. Good light control, reduced noise, and natural colors. Video recording is also stable and clear, great for content creators. Battery is another monster feature. 7200 mAh battery. Easily lasts 2 full days on normal usage. And with fast charging support, you're quickly back in action. This is one of the best battery phones in its price range. Software experience is clean and smooth with Realme UI. And you get all the latest 5G bands for future-ready connectivity. So, should you buy the Realme 17 Pro? If you want powerful performance, flagship-level 200MP camera, massive battery life, strong durability with IP69K, smooth AMOLED display, then yes, this phone is absolutely worth it. Final verdict. Realme 17 Pro is one of the most powerful all-rounder smartphones of 2026. Like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit the bell so you don't miss our coverage when officially announce the new phones and gadgets. Comment below. What feature are you most excited about?